Hi, this is Kashmanisa Bakewadi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about AWS weekly release for the week of 7th December 2020. This is second week of AWS reInvent 2020. In this reInvent special video, let's see what are the special announcements, releases and updates are available. So let's start with the new announcements. Introducing Amazon Health Lake to make sense of health data. Amazon Health Lake is a HIPAA-eligible service that enables healthcare providers, health insurance companies, and pharmaceutical companies to store, transform, query, and analyze health data at petabyte scale. Announcing preview of AWS Lake Formation features with transactions, row-level security, and acceleration. Announcing Amazon Forecast Weather Index, which can increase your forecasting accuracy by automatically including the latest local weather information to your demand forecast with one click and at no extra cost. Announcing AWS Audit Manager. AWS Audit Manager is a new service that helps you continuously audit your AWS usage to simplify how you assess risk and compliance with regulations and industry standards. Announcing Amazon Lookout for Metrics. It uses machine learning to detect anomalies or unexpected changes in your metrics, helping you proactively monitor the health of your business, diagnose issues, and find opportunities quickly with no ML experience required. Announcing Amazon Neptune ML with easy, fast, and accurate predictions for graphs. Let's see what are the new releases with Amazon SageMaker. Introducing Amazon SageMaker Pipelines, first purpose-built CI/CD service for machine learning. Introducing Amazon SageMaker Data Wrangler, the fastest and easiest way to prepare data for machine learning. Introducing two new libraries, that is Model Parallelism and Data Parallelism, for managed distributed training on Amazon SageMaker. Announcing new capabilities for Amazon SageMaker Debugger with real-time monitoring of system resources and profiling training jobs. You can detect bias in ML models and explain model behavior with Amazon SageMaker Clarify. Introducing Amazon SageMaker Edge Manager. It is model management for edge devices. Amazon SageMaker Model Monitor now supports new capabilities to maintain model quality in production. Introducing Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart, easily and quickly bring machine learning applications to market. Introducing Amazon SageMaker Feature Stores. It is fully managed repository to store, discover, share, and serve machine learning features. Let's see what are the new releases with Amazon Redshift. AWS announces Amazon Redshift ML in preview mode. Amazon Redshift ML makes it possible for data warehouse users such as data analysts, database developers, and data scientists to create, train, and deploy machine learning models using familiar SQL commands. Amazon Redshift now includes Amazon RDS for MySQL and Amazon Aurora MySQL databases as new data sources for federated querying in preview mode. Amazon Redshift announces support for native JSON and semi-structured data processing in preview mode. Amazon Redshift introduces data sharing in preview. Data sharing provides live access to the data so that your users always see most up-to-date and consistent information as it is updated in the data warehouse. Amazon Redshift announces automatic table optimization. It is a new self-pruning capability that optimizes the physical design of tables by automatically setting sort and distribution keys to improve query speed. Amazon Redshift announces the ability to easily move clusters between AWS availability zones. The cluster relocation features moves a cluster to another AZ in one step without requiring application changes. Amazon Redshift announces native console integration with partners in preview mode. Amazon Redshift announced RA3X Plus nodes with managed storage. You can now have even more compute sizing options to choose from to address a broader set of workload requirements. Now let's see what are the new updates in Amazon EC2. Announcing new Amazon EC2 G480 instances powered by AMD Radeon Pro V520 GPUs with best price performance for graphics intensive applications in the cloud. Amazon EC2 announces new network performance metrics for EC2 instances to help customers gain more insights into instance network performance. You can simplify EC2 provisioning and viewing cloud resources in the ServiceNow CMPD with AWS Service Management connectors for ServiceNow. Amazon EC2 announces Spot Blueprints, an infrastructure code template generator to get started with EC2 Spot instances. Amazon EBS reduces the minimum volume size of throughput optimized HDD and cold HDD volumes by 75%. Amazon Virtual Private Cloud announces Reachability Analyzer to simplify connectivity testing and troubleshooting. Amazon Bracket Sensor Network Simulator supports 50-qubit quantum circuit. Amazon Brackets now support PennyLAN. Amazon AppFlow now provides Amazon Lookout for Matrix connectivity to several cloud applications. Amazon Kendra adds Google Drive connector. Amazon Kendra launches incremental learning. Amazon Kendra launches connector library. Amazon Kendra adds support for custom synonyms. Amazon ECR announces cross-region replication for images. You can simplify running Apache Spark job with Amazon EMR on Amazon EKS. Amazon EMR Studio makes it easier for data scientists to build and deploy code. AWS customers can now use industry standard Internship Group Management Protocol (IGMP) to easily deploy, manage, and scale their multicast applications in AWS Cloud. AWS Global Accelerator launches custom routing. Amazon QuickSight now supports Amazon Elasticsearch Service and adds new box plot and field map visuals. Introducing Amazon Aurora R6G instance types powered by AWS Graviton 2 processor in preview mode. Amazon Aurora supports PostgreSQL 11.9, 10.14 and 9.6.19. Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL integrates with Amazon Lambda. Amazon API Gateway now supports integration with step functions, StarSync execution for HTTP APIs. Amazon Lumberyard Beta 1.27 now available. AWS IDE Toolkit now available for AWS Cloud 9. Amplify CLI enables serverless container deployments using AWS Fargate. Amazon CodeGuru Profiler adds memory profiling and heap summary. AWS Security Hub now supports bidirectional integration with ServiceNow ITSM. AWS Security Hub integrates with AWS Audit Manager for simplified security posture management. Introducing AWS Transit Gateway Connect to simplify SD-WAN branch connectivity. AWS Transit Gateway Inter-Region Peering is now available in Middle East Bahrain, Africa Cape Town, Asia Pacific Hong Kong, and Europe Milan AWS regions. That's it for this week. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.